Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the Jewel Grabox February 2019 edition, which is priced at Rs 499 including shipping. If you go for a cash on delivery, it will cost you 75 rupees extra. Now without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box is reached me in a normal brown cardboard box. This is our grab box in black and white combination, the usual box and a release 31. On the back side they have the Facon social media handles and their website address mentioned as well. Well, you can see the lipstick swatch from my mini O grab box now, which I just recorded. Isn't the shade so pretty? I really like it. I already have the video up on my channel, so you can check it out. It's very affordable at just 279 rupees including shipping, and it contains a mix of skincare, makeup and jewelry, so definitely value for money. If you haven't already, do check it out. Now let's get back to our Jewel grab box. Once we open, this is how the packaging came in. It says February Jewel grab box. So this month, this is the star product. It is from Forever 21. And this is a neck piece in the combination of black and gold. So on the back side they do have all the pricing and content details, so it seems like a genuine product. Quality is good, guys. The chain quality and everything is good, so we can consider this as a genuine product. And if it is so, definitely good to receive a Forever 21 neck piece in a affordable grab box like this. I had received a similar pattern in Lady Gaga bag before. They did not claim it as a Forever 21, they just sent it as a regular neck piece. So it was a design copy that time, but this one came in a packaging that says Forever 21. So hopefully this is a nice one, and I definitely like the pattern and everything. I do have an exact similar one, but this quality is much better. The other neck piece we have in the box is this one. It's a peacock pendant in rusted gold finish. It definitely looks very antique, and it comes with this normal golden chain. Something that you can wear with most of your ethnic outfits, and it will look really nice. Along with that, I think this finger ring will go very well. You can match both of these together. So I'm keeping that here. Both are in rusted gold finish, and the finishing is quite decent as well. Now moving on to the earrings, let me show you guys my favorite earring in the box. This is my favorite jewelry in the box for sure, and I really like the finishing of this. It has an amazing pattern. Let me show you guys like this. So this is how the earrings look like. They have a peacock stud and this beautiful pattern. It's not too heavy, it's like medium weight, because these things are very lightweight, and it will be such a stunning statement piece. The finishing and everything for this one is quite good. So this is my favorite in the box, and I'll definitely be wearing this one. Then next we have a tassel earrings. I got a maroon color. You will get a random color in this, and these are simple tassels in a single color. And finally we have these silver stud earrings with these multicolor stones. This is how they look. Definitely very traditional look, and you can wear these with traditional or ethnic outfits, and even with Indo-Western outfits to give it a nice edgy kind of look. So yeah, these are all the products in the February 2019 edition of Jewel grab box. Definitely value for money for a price tag of 499, considering that we have a branded product this time. This is the first time they have included a Forever 21 or any kind of brand in their box, and I do really appreciate it. But that is not my favorite product. Mine is this earring. I really liked it. If you guys like this box and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.